So I regularly conduct webinars, and in order to collect the registration for these webinars, I use Typeform. Now what I want is whenever someone registers for this webinar, I want to add their details in my Airtable record. So to do this, I have created this amazing automation because manually entering all the details was a time consuming and an error prone task. What I've done is I've simply created this amazing automation where whenever I'm just going to receive a new webinar registrations, the details will be added in Airtable. If you also want to create this automation, watch this tutorial till the end, and in order to do this, just open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of details for free into your Airtable, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect, you can definitely purchase it if you like it, but first try it. Alright, now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Typeform because I use Typeform to collect the details. So let's search for Typeform and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new entry and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Typeform and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Typeform. Once we're going to click on this connect with Typeform, we have to give Pabbly some permissions, but make sure that your Typeform account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and then only you're going to get this option to give the permissions. Once you get this option to give the permissions, just click on this accept button and your Typeform account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you just have to select the form. So as you can see that this is the form for which I want to create this automation, which is webinar registration form. So I've selected the same right over here. Now keep the response format as advanced and click on this save and send test request. Once you're going to click on the save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, just open your Typeform and you're going to see that we have to do a test submission. For that, go to this share and copy this form URL. What you have to do is you have to fill in a form yourself. Alright, so let's copy this form URL and open it in a new tab and just submit this form. Alright, so I'm just going to enter all the details right over here and register for this webinar. So let's say for the first name, I'm just going to keep it as smart, last name as user, this is the phone number, the email address. Now it is saying what best describes your current role. I'm just going to select it as student, and now it is asking me for this, so this is not required, so let's leave it as blank and submit this form. Once I'm just going to submit this form, it is saying you are in, and we have successfully submitted this form. So now let's open our workflow and you're going to see that Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. Now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to add the details in my Airtable. So to do this, just click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Airtable and select Airtable. For the event, you have to select it as create record and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Airtable and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Airtable. Once we're going to click on this connect with Airtable, what is going to happen is first of all Pabbly is going to ask us for some permissions. So you have two options. You can give the permission for all the current and the future bases, or you can give the permission only for a single base. For that, you have to click on this add a base button and search for the base you want to give the permission for. So I want to give the permission for this base, which is webinar registration. So I'm just going to select the same and click on this grant access. Now my Airtable account will be connected with Pabbly Connect successfully, and now it is asking me to choose the base name and the table name. After selecting this, one by one I'm just going to enter all the details. So these details are the same details which we have in the columns of our Airtable. So one by one I'm just going to enter it, but over here is a hack that we don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. Alright, so what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So this is the reason why we do mapping, and in order to map these details, just put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map. And after mapping all the details, it is saying enable typecasting. So if typecasting is enabled, it allows you to forcefully create an option with the passed value in multiple choice type fields. So if you wish, you can definitely enable it. I'm just going to keep it as false and click on the save and send test request, and you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new record in Airtable. So let's open our Airtable, and you're going to see the details have been added. Not only this, now whenever someone submits this form, so automatically the details will be added in my Airtable. I'm just going to show you in real time. Let's say I'm just going to fill in this form, and I'm just going to submit this form right over here, and as you can see, I've successfully submitted this form. Now let's open our Airtable, and you're going to see within seconds the details are added right over here. And yes, I don't have to go back in again to my workflow to click on save and send test request. All of this is going to happen in backend like I showed you right now. So go and try this amazing automation, and if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section below. Further, the workflow URL of this workflow and the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.